Hello guys, let's continue to learn about Google Spreadsheets, and in that video we learn about macros. Macros can help you to fill your table in fast way. If you every day, every hour on your work, for example, fill some tables in similar way, then you can automatize some of your process with using macros. And with using additional buttons, then you can add to your table. For example, I prepared table with some information. For example, it's table when you have to fill with some information about your customers that deliver some of your products, goods. Let's imagine you have to fill it in that way. It was so long day, and if you have many rows to fill, then it's so exhausting as a result. That's why I propose you first sheets we remain to add and create another sheets. For example, data, copy first row, come back to add, start from first cell, equal count, and +1. And why we need it? If we fill some of that rows in some ways, we only prepare the number of next our order. For example, it's number of order. We have 4 orders previously, and when we start add another order, we always have next number. It's very comfortable. But I delete it, and we can change our today date. On this sheet we fill some cells and add it to our some database. Yes, it's second sheets like database. So to start record our macros, we go to extensions, macros, record macro, and after that started our macros. We can copy this row, go to our data, input information in that row, but only values, because if we input without this, we copy all formulas that we have on the first sheet, and we input row above that row, go to first sheet and delete this information. After that I save my macro and name it, for example, add. I can also set some shortcut, for example, Command, Option, Shift and 1, for example, save. So we created a macros. Let's try to use our new macros. For example, we have name 2, numbers, emails, and after that we go to extensions, macros, and select our new macros. Continue. Propose to authorize in our Gmail account. Let's check. Try to do it. So we have a good macros. We have some problems with our date, but we talk about this later. let's try to fill another rows. And in finish, let's try to use our shortcut. Command Option Shift 1. Yes, we have some information that we previously had. Let's try to do something with our date. We can change our format, number and date. Yes, it's correct. Then it's correct. And another thing that I can offer you is use some buttons with using images. Because sometimes it's not so comfortable to go to extensions, macros and request that macros. Maybe sometimes not comfortable to use so many buttons and you want to fill with some buttons. I go to Insert, Drawing, for example, Add, Shape, some shape, Edit Text, Add, and delete this. OK, save and close. We have added our button and we enclose some script. For example, it's script add. And after attached our script, we can add our rows with this button. Add. And we have added new row. We didn't add these cells. Maybe we did some mistakes when we record our script. If you want to add your script, you have to go to record another script. And I want to add some pay attention. To edit our button, we have to right click on our mouth. After that, we select our button. And after that, we can assign script. For example, if we will record another script with another name, that's why you have to type it in that input, name new script. But basically, I think you understand how can we use macros, scripts, how to record it, and try make our work easier. If you like this video, press thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and go to another video about Google Spreadsheets.